What is going on, guys? Sean here with another straight razor honing demonstration journal, whatever you want to call it, update. It's my day off, so I have time to sit around and chat with my friends over here. I got this natural stone and another one in the mail a few weeks back. My friend Eric, you guys know him as thecajunblade. If you haven't checked him out, make sure you check him out in the description below. Eric is a big natural whetstone guy. He loves his naturals. He's really good at them. His edges are amazing. He sent me this stone that he's trying out. This is called the Nakoda Black Diamond. It is made by Royal Flint Abrasives, and they have it classified as a novaculite. I'm not sure if it's a novaculite. I researched and I rewatched Eric's videos and I did my own testing, so this is not a first time honing video on this or me first impressions on the stone. I've been playing around with this a lot. I have this rocket razor. You guys have seen it in some previous videos. And I've been finishing on this Nakoda in different ways: water only, slurry, oil. And today I want to finish on some soapy water and see how that goes. Before that, and before we keep talking about this Nakoda, I just wanted to show you guys something that I got in the mail and that I worked around with. It is this stone right here. This is a Thuringian. Beautiful stone. I already honed on this, and my God, the feel on this stone, super velvety. I sealed it because I want to seal this this label here. It says the celebrated water razor hone. It says, where does it say here? We are the genuine water hone. And I really like the little, what is it, like a shield and a goblet. And then I'm pretty sure it says ES and Co here in the middle. So I'm guessing this is an Escher. I spoke with a few friends of mine, and they think it's an Escher. It was sold to me as an Escher. If it is, if it isn't, it doesn't matter. I just think it has a really nice, really cool, beautiful label here. And I know the sensation of honing on this was amazing, so this is a keeper. And then I lapped it flat here. It has a little ding here. I rounded this a little bit. I can maybe do a better job. I honed this way though, so on this side there's nothing, and when I honed on it, it isn't touching the little crack here. There might be some things I could do here, maybe put a little bit of glue and then clean that up a little bit. Definitely a possibility. Just really happy. Really beautiful stone here. This is a 6x1 and 1.25, and I love it, man. I love it, love it, love it. Let me put this to the side. I don't want anything to happen to this because I paid a decent amount. So, yeah. And then I took this razor, the German Frieder and Brahmin. I hope someone tells me the correct way of saying it, because I am butchering that. I feel like my German ancestors are mad at me. So yeah, this has the Escher edge, and I can't wait to shave with this. I'll shave with this, which will have the Nakoda edge, and I'll shave with this, which also has the Nakoda edge, but this has a convex bevel finished on a flat Nakoda. So excited to try this, and this on camera for you guys. No comparisons here. When I do that, I'm not going to compare the razors. And I got a little bit close to the camera here, so if I was screaming, forgive me. Yeah, I'm not gonna do any comparisons. Comparisons are good. I like comparisons, but I don't like hating on stones and saying this is better than that. So if I do a comparison or talk about a similarity or a difference, by no ways am I meaning this is better than that. Stones are different, especially finishing stones. They're all different and they have different qualities to them, and they're all great. And I sound like a Democrat here, but diversity is great, and we should all be inclusive and all that jazz. Anyways, let me do some honing here. And right now, this razor has already been worked, so I'm just going to be doing some finishing passes here. Nothing crazy. And mainly, this is just talking to you guys about the Nakoda. I like it, man. I think I checked out Royal Flint Abrasives. I placed an order. Sadly, I think something happened to the stone that I bought. I think it broke. He couldn't send it to me. But I've been playing around with this stone right here that Eric sent to me, and I like it, man. I think Eric is right on the money. This feels like a slate. I've had slates before. I had the French Black Shadow, and the French Black Shadow, it was good. Very slow, very. That stone is one you can go from your 12K or your 10K and spend some time on the Black Shadow. It feels like it's not as abrasive. This one, it feels like it's a little bit more abrasive, and you can manipulate the finishing if you're skilled enough and get a nice refined edge and shaving edge. So I'm actually doing you guys a disservice because honing on the slurry on this is really nice. The only negative to the slurry on this Nakoda, for some reason, man, when I was honing on the Nakoda, every time I make a slurry, the slurry is the worst smelling slurry I've smelt in my life. It smelled like a New York street full of piss, man. Did not enjoy the slurry smell. But overall, a great stone for the price. I think you are basically getting a steal from Royal Flint Abrasives, and this is not paid. Royal Flint Abrasives is not in communication with me. This is just a stone that Eric sent to me. We do this kind of stuff. I send him stones, he sends me stones, razors, and it's just a fun experience. He also sent me another stone by Royal Flint Abrasives. It is called the Invicta. So after I'm done playing around with the Nakoda, I'll play with the Invicta and see if I enjoy that one better, or not even better, just like what's it about? How does it shave? How does it hone? Another important thing, how different whetstones hone and how enjoyable they are. One thing for me is like honing on this guy right here. This was such an enjoyable experience. The slurry on this was just like velvet silky, similar to like a JNAD in a way. The way the JNAD abrasive is like, especially with the Mikawa, it's like really velvety, really nice. That's how it felt with the Escher, and I'm excited to try out the Invicta. Not paid, but I do drink a lot of your products, Coke, especially Diet Coke. I don't think they're going to sponsor our razor honer, especially one that isn't a professional hone meister. But yeah, I really like this stone. I think it has a lot of potential. I think Eric was the first one to try out this stone on camera. Make sure you check out his video. I'll have his video linked in the description below so you guys can check it out. I'll put Royal Flint Abrasives eBay as well in the description below so you guys can check out their page. I think the prices are like super affordable. I think they are based in Canada. I don't know if I said that before. Beautiful stone. I love stones that are pitch black, so I like surgical blacks. I love J-Nats that are black, and then this Nakoda Black. I don't know, something about it just speaks to me visually. There's a little wispy sound when I'm honing here on the glycerin soap mix. It feels very enjoyable. It feels like this is already refined. I won't lie to you guys, I had honed a little bit off camera here. When I'm finishing my razors, I like taking my time, and sometimes I'm just making a video and I don't show the whole process just because I want to talk to you guys and have a visual image for you guys to see, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's all I did. And in this case, I had already honed on this razor before on the Nakoda, and now I'm just like finishing. When you're finishing, make sure you have a nice slow stroke. All your work can be undone just by one horrible stroke that just damages your edge. So I think this is ready. I think I'm gonna strop this. Maybe do 50 on linen, 60 on leather, and then I'll have a shave and take you guys with me. I'll have the other two razors, excuse me, and we'll shave with those, try them out, see which one we like, which one needs more work. And thank you for being here. We're close to 500 subscribers. This is not to say subscribe to me. This is to say thank you. I did not expect to get as many friends as I have now. So I always like chatting with you guys in the comment section below. Really grateful. And I just thought I should tell you guys. All right. I think that's done. We should always voice out when we're grateful for something. And I'm grateful for you guys. This is my favorite hobby. It's one I'm always thinking about, even when I'm at work. Thinking about honing, thinking about you guys. Waiting to see what you guys upload. I'm so sorry. My focusing skills are... You can kind of see like a mirror there in the bevel. Beautiful work. And the early work on this, it was... The early work on that was 2K Naniwa, 3K Naniwa Kaguyaki, 4K Hayabusa, 5K Arara Chosera, Professional, whatever you want to call it. And then we went to the 10K Naniwa Superstone, and we finished on the Nakoda Black. Why did I go to the 10K? Well, I could have gone from the 5K to the 10K, but I was speaking with Eric, and he's a well of knowledge, so, and he suggested, you know, when you're trying a new stone, take out the variables as much as you can, at least for the first time, and see what you get from a 10K going to this, and then you'll know your limit in a way. And I completely agree with him. I think you guys should check out his channel. He's a good friend of mine, and he's a jewel to the community. So check him out. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, you can email me. I've been getting a lot of emails recently. And I am really happy for that, because if I can give back to the community the way you guys give back to me, then it makes me feel accomplished. It makes me feel like I'm helping someone. You know, it gives value to what I'm doing, I think. So thank you for that. Make sure you email me if you want. If you want to talk about something else, that's fine as well. I'm an open book. And again, thank you for everything. Have a good one. Peace.